Ladies and gentlemen, muscle car lovers, history fans, and horsepower hunters, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary American icons ever built. A car that didn't just shape automotive culture, it defined it. I'm talking about the 1965 Pontiac GTO, and to make things even sweeter, the one we're reviewing today is finished in a stunning, deep blue color that practically glows under the sun. This isn't just a car, it's the official birth certificate of the muscle car era, the machine that started the revolution and set the template for raw American performance. So buckle up, because for the next several minutes, we're taking a journey back to the golden age of V8 thunder, chrome attitude, and pure mechanical soul. Before we begin, hit that like button, subscribe if you're a fan of classic automotive legends, and drop a comment telling me which classic muscle car you want to see next. But for now, let's fire up the nostalgia and get straight into the review of this unforgettable 1965 Pontiac GTO. Exterior. Let's start with what you see first, and trust me, you can't miss it. The blue paint on this 65 GTO is mesmerizing. It's bold without being flashy, classic without feeling old. Under daylight, the color brings out all the sharp contours and muscular definition of the car's body. The GTO has one of the most recognizable silhouettes from the era, long hood, short deck, and a stance that tells you right away this thing was built to dominate stoplights and straightaways. Look at the front end, those stacked quad headlights are pure 1960s attitude. They give the car a wide, aggressive face, almost like it's glaring at anything in its way. The split Pontiac grille with the GTO badge sitting proudly reminds you that this was the performance king of its era. Unlike many cars today with overly complicated designs, this front fascia is clean, sharp, and purposeful. Walking around the car, the body lines are straight and confident. The chrome accents sparkle against the blue paint, from the bumper edges to the window surrounds. You get that perfect balance of muscle and elegance. The car sits on classic rally-eye wheels, wrapped in period-correct rubber, giving it an authentic old-school stance. No oversized rims, no modern nonsense, just pure 60s identity. The side profile is long, sleek, and muscular. There's something about the proportions, how the fenders rise, how the roofline flows, how the rear tapers, that makes you appreciate how beautifully simple and effective classic design really is. The GTO emblem on the fender adds the finishing touch, a small but powerful reminder of what you're looking at. Move to the back and you're greeted by horizontal tail lights integrated smoothly into the rear panel. The chrome rear bumper is polished like a mirror, and beneath it, the dual exhaust tips peek out like the nostrils of a beast ready to roar. The rear design is clean, purposeful, and unmistakably Pontiac. Overall, the exterior of this 1965 GTO is a masterclass in muscle car beauty, bold, muscular, and timeless. Interior. Now let's step inside this blue legend, and immediately you're hit with the warm, nostalgic feel of a 60s cabin. This isn't a digital overload. No screens. No driver assist systems. Just pure analog emotion. The interior of the 65 GTO is a reminder of an era when the driver was the center of everything. The seats are upholstered in classic vinyl, comfortable, supportive, and period correct. Sitting in the driver's seat, you get that perfect muscle car position, low, wide, and confident. The bucket seats give just enough hug without feeling modern or over-engineered. Move your eyes to the dashboard, and it's all business. The large circular gauges sit proudly in front of you. The speedometer, tachometer, temperature, oil pressure, they're all analog dials with crisp, easy-to-read markings. Each one feels like a time capsule back to 1965. There's no clutter, no unnecessary elements, just the information you need to enjoy the drive. The wood grain accents on the dash add a premium feel, reminding you that the GTO wasn't just about raw performance, it also brought refinement to the table. The center console houses the manual shifter for the enthusiasts who want to fully experience the mechanical heartbeat of the car. That classic H-pattern shifter is a piece of art, simple, mechanical, and satisfying. The steering wheel is thin by modern standards, but it feels absolutely right for this car. It delivers a connection to the road that modern electric power steering could never replicate. Every vibration, every rumble of the V8, every road texture, you feel it in your hands. Even the rear seats offer more space than you'd expect in a muscle coupe. That's the charm of classic American cars: big bodies, big engines, and surprisingly practical interiors. Overall, the inside of the 1965 GTO gives you an experience that's impossible to recreate today. It's raw, immersive, and emotional. This interior reminds you that driving used to be about the joy of driving, not the convenience of technology. Performance. But let's be honest, the real soul of the 1965 Pontiac GTO is under the hood. This car didn't earn its legendary status because of its looks alone. It earned it because of performance that rewrote the rules of what a street car could be. Powering this blue beast is a 389 cubic inch V8, yes, that's 6.4 liters of pure American muscle. Depending on the configuration, the GTO offered anywhere from around 325 to 360 horsepower, which in 1965 was absolutely insane for a mainstream production car. That power was paired with a tri-power carburetor setup on the higher output versions, 3 two-barrel carburetors feeding the engine like 3 lungs full of fire. When you stomped the throttle, all 3 carbs open, unleashing a punch of acceleration that was revolutionary for its time. The sound of the engine is something you don't just hear, you feel it. It rumbles, cracks, and roars with a deep, thunderous growl. This isn't the artificial sound of modern exhaust tuning. This is real, raw combustion music. Performance numbers for the era were mind-blowing. 0 to 60 in around 5.8 to 6.1 seconds depending on setup. Quarter-mile times in the low 14ths. For the mid-1960s, this car was practically a street-legal rocket ship. But the GTO wasn't just a straight-line brute. The 65 model included improvements in suspension, steering, and brakes, making it more controllable and enjoyable on winding roads. No, it doesn't handle like a modern sports car, but it gives you something far more engaging: feedback. You feel every corner. You sense every body shift. It's driving in its purest form. Whether you choose the 3-speed manual, the 4-speed manual, or the automatic, the experience is unforgettable. The manual transmission, especially, turns the car into a living, breathing machine that responds to your inputs with enthusiasm. The 1965 GTO earned its nickname, the GOAT, for one reason: it ate everything on the street. Mustang, Fairlane, even some Corvettes, it embarrassed them all. And to this day, it remains one of the most significant performance cars ever produced. Prices. Now let's talk about the part that makes collectors and enthusiasts emotional: the price. Back in 1965, the Pontiac GTO was surprisingly accessible. It originally started around $2,800 to $3,000 depending on trim and options. Imagine getting a world-changing performance icon for the price of a few months' rent today. That affordability was a big reason why the GTO became such a cultural phenomenon. But today? Well, if you want to get your hands on a beautifully restored 1965 GTO, especially one in this gorgeous blue color, be prepared to invest. Prices vary depending on originality, restoration quality, drivetrain, and documentation. A clean driver quality example might run you $55,000 to $75,000. A fully restored show quality model? That can easily reach $90,000 to $120,000. And if you want a rare tri-power, matching numbers, mint condition GTO, you're looking at $150,000 or more at auctions. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a car. You're buying a piece of American history. You're buying a symbol of the muscle car revolution. You're buying something that appreciates emotionally and financially. For many owners, the value is not measured in dollars but in the goosebumps they get when the V8 rumbles to life. For collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone who loves automotive culture, the 1965 GTO is a priceless treasure. It represents freedom, power, and the golden age of American engineering.